example that we show in 7th grade. So this is my code to create a fractal. One of them is this is ours, and basically you take a piece of paper and you rip it, and then you rip this and pretty much everything else, and then you're left with 4 smaller squares, this one being 1/3 square. And for this you perform the same operation. You rip this, you rip this side, you rip this middle part, and here. So they use recursion to draw such as this tile. This is the original code. It only does this part. Then I created another code, Cesaro square, which would rotate this by 90 degrees to create this side, and rotate this by 90 degrees to create this, and then again to create this. So my code calls this because the Cesaro square is a pattern, there's a fractal involved. So if you have the one before, you can create the one after. So I created this code to animate the rips, and this is how it works.
Can you show her how the picture works? Show me your legs. Come on. No one else here.
So it just creates the rips on the square, and when it finishes, it'll take a while. So I'll just explain my sequence. So the next code I have is basically when you take a triangle and you connect the midpoints of this triangle, you're left with this triangle. However, when you do the operation again to each of these 3 outside triangles, and again and again and again, you're left with a fractal. And again, use recursion on this. So after the Cesaro square is done, I'll show you what the other one got me.
Depending on how not how fast, but how advanced is progressing on this. Sometimes the projects take about 3 to 4 weeks. Usually longer depending because some people are building a really complicated products.
So it basically completes this whole pattern, so you should be able to fill the rest of it in your head. So now we'll move on to the frequency code. Basically, it creates a small triangle and then replicates that pattern over here, and then it shifts this small diagram up here to create this big triangle, and then it does the same thing with this big triangle. It pushes it over here and then pushes it over here and makes a larger one of itself. Thanks for listening. Any questions? Yeah?
If you have more time to work on this project, what would you add?
I would change the color. I think it have a different color in each layer. Yeah.
How many recursion deeps is it? How deep is the recursion?
The recursion for the frequency triangle is 7. And you can actually plug in anything, but sometimes Python won't draw it if it's too deep.
All right, good job.